Today was a very cold night. I am sleeping here, and in the middle of the night I was cold and I dressed warmer. It was 23 degrees first time like this. Very cold. 23 degrees. Wow. Let's go to walk around of my house. Доброе утро. Maya, buntak. Buenos dias, amigas. Good morning. There is a boat from Darrick at 6 a.m. from Darrick to Davao. This is Mountain Apu volcano. There is my roof. Still whole house, but soon I need to remove a part. It's very sad. And there is an empty area now. It's like around 10 hectares. They will build a small town here. It's in the Philippines it's called subdivision. Yeah, beautiful, peaceful, simple life. And this Darrick Island, this Samal Island where I am, and then Mindanao, Mountain Apu, and it's like Mindanao go around of Samal Island, like this. Maybe it's finished here and also start here, maybe like this. I'm not sure, but it's like a not full circle around the island. Somehow. Big island Mindanao. And this is herb called, I don't remember how it's called, but it's kind of mint. Smells good, like it's similar we can find in Russia. It's called Melissa. I think it's very healthy plant. I use it for tea. Now I'm going to prepare. I think it's medicine. In the Philippines they call it mulunggay, moringa. Also good for tea, for cooking food. There is ampalaya plant. It's very popular in the Philippines for cook food. It's pretty bitter, but I think very good medicine. It's a family. It's pumpkin family. This is flowers. It's grow everywhere. You can find it. And this plant called tsaluyot. It's also very good for health, medicine, and very delicious for make salad, cooked food. It's very delicious, soft and creamy taste. You can find in the village, they sell it. bundle. I don't know how it's called, like a bouquet. And then this island very good climate to grow coconuts, and also I see if you grow chirimoya, it's also easy to grow. Here you can see only small one, but it was plenty. We tried, very delicious. This is my neighbor Darrick grow, and jackfruit also very easy to grow here. But now over season of jackfruits. But coconuts, all year you can find, during all year. This is end of area of subdivision. Very nice place. And this is guanabana. It's easy to grow here and very good price. You can find everywhere. It's guanabana came from South America, but in Colombia, when I was here, it was very expensive. And cassava, tapioca, yuca. In South America, it's called yuca. And here it's also grow very good, but you can't find in the market. I don't know why. And pomelo tree. Very easy to grow, I think. But now it's a season of pomelo. But you can't find in Capuchan village. They don't sell it. I don't know why. And mango tree. But it's not easy to grow here, I think. Only mango cebu, called cebu kind, you can find in the market. Maybe now it's not a season for other kind of mango, but I see only one kind in the market. It's commercial variety. If you will not spray chemicals, it will not produce harvest. You will not harvest. Then it's big deal to grow mango here. Use chemical spray and cover bags on each fruit when it starts to produce, and then that's why price is high. Mango cebu is delicious, but it's commercial kind. This is noise from tuca. It's big lizard. And local people make money with coconut copra. They call it copra from coconut. And then they open skin, then open shell, and then they remove copra meat, coconut meat, old coconut meat, and then they dry it and transfer to Davao, to, I don't know, maybe it's like a factory to make coconut oil. That coconut oil you can find even in Colombia. I buy in Colombia, coconut oil from the Philippines. Yeah. The coconut shell, local people don't throw away it. They use it for make coconut charcoal, and then you can buy it everywhere in Kaputian village. It's very popular. You can make fire and cook food. And this is a jungle. This is property of neighbor, my neighbor, other neighbor. Like very deep jungle. They don't clean and they don't live here. This is what we can see now. It's that house where I started to live with my son when we arrived to the Philippines. We started to live here. It was a resort of Darrick, Hilltop resort. But in COVID time, all damaged. I show you a little bit Darrick's property, where was Hilltop resort. It was very good place where many Russians start to live, and not only Russians, many foreigners from all the world. I met here many friends, good friends. This house where we start to live with my son, it was a new house. We was first renters. We was first who live in this house. What happened in COVID time. There's many fruits everywhere. Here was plenty of jackfruit. This cherry moya, jackfruit, coconut, and it's flowering. Cherry moya flowers. It was a kitchen, it was shower and bedroom and yard, and over there was one more house. Now you can see, and there is empty area for subdivision. This is mark of new border line. It means it's borderline go across this Darrick's house, last one house of Darrick, and then across my house also. I like this grass. This grass so perfect, so soft and